Well, one of the largest teachers unions in the state is sharing some of the threats it says educators received after being accused of making inappropriate comments about Charlie Kirk's death. It comes as the Texas American Federation of Teachers is asking the court to stop ongoing state investigations.
And those investigations into school employees' social media posts about the conservative activists. KXAN investigator Kelly Wiley digs deeper into what all of this means.
This is an important case for the AFT. The national president, Randy Weingarten, was on today's call with the president of the Texas branch, and they announced they're going to be filing a motion for a preliminary injunction from the court. Essentially, they want a judge to order TEA to stop investigating these educators until the case is adjudicated. But in today's press conference, AFT also shared two messages that they are saying are indicative of the threats educators faced after making comments about Kirk on social media. In one text message the union provided, it seemed to show a person saying, "I can only hope your COVID vaccine kills you soon." The union said this was sent to one of its members who was reported to the TEA. The Texas Education Agency has remained fairly quiet about this lawsuit, and it's not totally out of character for the agency not to comment. The agency said it doesn't comment on ongoing litigation. They've also not yet filed an answer to the original complaint that was filed by the AFT. The AFT accused the agency of violating educators' First Amendment rights, retaliating against educators, and of conducting unlawful investigations.
We're not talking about anything that happened in any classrooms. We're talking about what people said on social media or to their friends and their colleagues and their relatives. And we are fighting for the proposition, which I believe that everybody should fight for, that educators do not lose their First Amendment rights, their rights to expression, their rights to what they believe and expressing it, their rights to assemble because they're schools teachers.
It's still unclear how quickly the court might set a hearing. The AFT said today they believe it could be as far out as March. And at last check, TEA has 95 ongoing investigations into school employees who are accused of making inappropriate comments about Kirk. Kelly Wiley, KXAN Investigates.